bad, and you're over there just... I don't know what the hell you're doing.
Enjoying my time.
Oh, hey, look! A strawberry, Pyro.
Oh no.
It's a strawberry. Drinking my coffee. Gonna go punch a bear. Hey,
Twisted.
look, there's the bear. Just minding his own fucking business as my game crashes. My game completely crashed.
Not even a not responding, it just fucking shut.
It just completely died.
You should totally clip that. That was fucking hilarious.
Oh no, it's violence. Oh shit!
I'll keep you like Jesus.
Dude, wait, where am I? Wait, hang on.
Where are you? Where am I? Dude,
Hold
I'm
up.
the Ocean Gate sub.
He's the fucking Ocean Gate sub.
Can I
I
fall down
am. Look
this?
at me go, bro. I'll pass you over real quick.
Oh no!
You're not
no,
on
Esther.
anything, by the way. You're just floating.
No! They spawned on me. Oh shit! Ah fuck! I got teabagged.
No way.
I'm not even damage. My dog. He fucking just eat them away. I broke him. I broke
He's literally the Family Guy death.
Bro.